showing you guys how I get rid of my acne, if I have any acne at the moment, which I do have some. Oh no, I just popped that. Ignore that. You know, cute little acne scars. Just kidding, they're not cute, but I do have like a couple acne scars. I did just end my period, so I did get like some acne here and there. I don't get it like all the time, but I do get it sometimes. So I'm excited to show you guys my little tips and tricks. But first things first, I just came home from the gym. So I'm gonna wash my face first, but to wash my face, I use the Biore Charcoal Cleansing Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser, yes. And I use my Clarisonic. Honestly, I really like using this because I feel like just washing with your hands, like, yeah, it cleans your face or whatever, but I feel like just using the Clarisonic with like the little like brush head or whatever, just like really like gets into your pores and like just like really just, you know, cleans your face. So we're gonna do that for starters, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, and then we're gonna get into the rest of the skincare. My little water stains, but now that my face is washed, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower, and then we're gonna get right into this skincare.
2 hours later.
So the first thing I like to do after I've showered is I think it's called like a dermaplaning like tool or whatever. I got this at Ulta for like $4 or $5 or whatever, but anyways, it's just like eliminates all the dead skin, even like the little peach fuzz that you get on your face. But I kind of just scrape it very lightly, and I do it like in a downwards motion, like all over my face, ending right here, like after like my chin. But using this really helps because once you've done this and you go to apply makeup, like it just goes on a lot smoother because like all that extra like, you know, dead skin and like hair that's like kind of like right here and like in the middle of your eyebrows too, like it's just gone. Your foundation just applies more smoothly. So it's kind of just like this little like peach fuzz and dead skin that's like on your face. Also with this too, you want to make sure that you're not doing it too hard, otherwise you're gonna like accidentally like scrape your face really hard. And that's not good. Okay guys, look at this. You see that? That's all my dead skin off my face that accumulates over time, which is so gross. So I think that's it for all my dead skin on my face. So I use my Clean and Clear dual action moisturizer, and I've been using this, I want to say I've been using this one since like high school. Yeah, high school. I've been using it for a long time, guys, honestly, but it's like one of my favorite moisturizers. I've tried other ones, but this one is by far my most favorite. Okay, so I brought you guys into my guest room because the lighting was just like better in here. But to end off like my little skincare routine for like my morning time during the daytime after I come home from the gym, I just use my Mario Badescu. Badescu, is that how you say it? I don't know how you say it, but it's basically like with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I've tried all three of them. Out of the three, I definitely like probably the lavender one because it's also infused with chamomile, and chamomile like works like really good for your skin too. But yeah, we just want to spray our face with this because we're trying to hydrate ourselves out here. You feel me? My face, I just got some in my mouth. Okay, so tell me I'm not the only one that says it like this, but so after I use like my facial spray, I use this Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen, I think. I don't know, but so it just brightens and hydrates like underneath like your eye. Yes, this is a sample because I was too broke and too cheap to buy the actual one, so Vanessa samples at Sephora, guys. But anyways, this has vitamin C and collagen boost in it, and honestly, the biggest fan of collagen. We're gonna get into that into a second, but I just apply a very low, like, you know, low thing of it, and I just do that underneath my eye, and then I do it on my eyelids too, and I just like rub that in. I don't know if it's like psychologically, I think that like it works instantly, but I feel like once I put this on, my eye bags and like my puffiness, because I have really bad like puffy eyes like underneath in the morning, especially when I'm like super duper tired and my eyes just look like really swollen, and I'm like, okay, I look like a bee just like freaking stung my eye. I definitely think it works a lot, and I'm so excited because like once I run out of this, like I'm actually gonna buy the actual thing. But so back to collagen. Okay, here's the real tea, sis. I'm gonna lay it down for you, okay? Because a lot of people always emphasize, I'm gonna angle this down a little bit more. A lot of people always emphasize like, oh, like you have to drink lots of water, you have to change your diet, which that is all true. Definitely changing your diet is a huge thing when it comes to your skin, just because like what you put in your body reflects on the outside of your body. I did used to have a really bad habit of eating junk food a lot and drinking a lot of soda. So I eliminated sodas, and then I also eliminated the amount of like intake of like junk food that I was eating. Like I still eat junk food from time to time. I have the biggest sweet tooth ever. But I think it's like really important to know what foods will trigger your acne. But it's not just about water, guys. I'm gonna tell you, if I can grab it here, it's all about collagen water, okay? This is collagen powder, and I put a scoop of this in my water. So basically, like, it has like a little, this is empty because I just finished it because I drink it also when I go to the gym and I work out, but it has a scooper, and you basically fill it all the way to the top, and then you dump that into your water. And you only want to do it like once a day, because you only want to do it once a day because your body can only intake so much, and then if you take even more, like you're just gonna essentially pee it out, you know what I mean? But with collagen, so that's really good for like your skin, your hair, and your nails. But yeah, so like when people ask me like, dude, like what did you do for your skin? I'm like, collagen, like literally collagen. And you can find it at Sprouts, you can find it at Trader Joe's, Walmart, Target, pretty much they sell it everywhere. I would definitely recommend Sprouts. I want to say it's like $30, so it is something that's not cheap. It is kind of expensive, but I'm telling you guys that it is so worth it, because honestly, that's all I drink is like lemon water and collagen water. Yes, I drink regular water, but like those two things, like right there, drinking those like on a consistent basis, and with that too, like you're not gonna notice a difference if you only do it like, you know, for 3 days and you're like, oh my god, why is my skin still looking the same? Like you have to do it consistently for at least like a week or two to start noticing like subtle effects. You're not going to notice like a huge difference. Like you have to probably would do it for like a couple months or so, and then you're going to start to notice it. People are in such a quick hurry to like, you know, get really nice skin or to grow their hair really long and like have nice nails, but it's all about the processes. Like you gotta go through the process. All right guys, so that was like my little skincare routine that I had for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also, yeah, I'm excited to see the results if you guys do decide to try any of the things that I mentioned, and I will see you guys in my next video.